Hello friends, welcome to our channel Random Dictation. Subscribe our channel for regular dictations on daily basis. Ready? Start. The Delhi High Court has issued a slew of directions to the family courts in the national capital for speedy disposal of cases relating to marriage and family affairs within a time frame in the absence of any specific rules regarding the same. Stop. A division bench of Justice Suresh Kumar Keth and Justice Neena Bansal Krishna directed that when a suit has been duly instituted, summons may be issued to the defendant to appear and answer the claim and to file the written statement of defense within 30 days. Stop. The bench added that no such summons shall be issued when a defendant has appeared at the presentation of plaint and admitted the plaintiff's claim. Stop. Provided further that where the defendant fails to file the written statement within the said period of 30 days, he shall be allowed to file the written statement on such other day as may be specified by the court for reasons to be recorded in writing and on payment of such costs as the court deems fit, but which shall not be later than 120 days from the date of service of summons and on expiry of 120 days from the date of service of summons, the court said. Stop. Furthermore, the bench directed that all the parties shall complete inspection of all documents disclosed within 30 days of the date of filing of the written statement and that the family court may extend the time limit upon application at its discretion but not beyond 30 days. Stop para. Any party to the proceedings may seek directions from the court at any stage of the proceedings for inspection or production of documents by the other party of which inspection has been refused by such party or documents have not been produced despite issuance of a notice to produce. Stop. Such application shall be disposed of within 30 days of filing such application, including filing replies and rejoinders bracket if permitted by court bracket clause and hearing the court ordered. Stop. The court has also directed each party to submit a statement of admissions or denials of all documents disclosed and of which inspection has been completed within 15 days of the completion of inspection or any later date as fixed by the family court. Stop para. The interim applications for maintenance pendente light interim custody and all other miscellaneous applications relating to marriage oblique family affairs shall be decided within 90 days from the date of filing, the court said. Stop para. It added that the family court shall hold the first management hearing not later than 4 weeks from the date of filing of affidavit of admission or denial of documents by all parties to the suit. Stop para. While deciding an appeal moved by a wife in a matrimonial case, the bench noted that the order sheets of the family court showed that the husband was lingering on the divorce petition as neither the written statement was filed on time nor was he conducting the trial diligently. Stop. Para. We may observe that the matrimonial litigation must not be allowed to linger inordinately over a long period of time, as it is not only painful and acrimonious for the parties, but such long drawn litigation is many a times motivated by the intention of either party to drag the litigation stop, reducing judicial delay and improving litigation processes by case management techniques are important elements of increasing access to justice. Stop. The intrinsic value of the justice system lies in its role in contributing to an effective social and economic framework, the court said. Stop.